Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, hi, I'm Ruchita, and if you want to know more about me or more about my channel, then you can go check out my intro video. I'll put in the card above, go check out now, and then come back and continue to watch this video. If you've done all that, then also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. It's free, okay? You can do it. So every time I upload a video, you get notified. So make sure the bell button is on. The other subscribers also, make sure the bell button is on. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to talk about few tips I want to share with the other girls out there. So that's why I thought of doing this video. So without further ado, let's roll into today's video. I so wanted to do this video because when I'm working and when I'll be late, and I have to come back late at night, and it's not safe. Yeah, we know that it's not safe. How much ever we tell that this and etc., the truth is it's not safe out there, and you have to be cautious no matter what, how bold you are, how confident you are. Anything can happen at any time. So you should always keep that in mind. It's not that you should live in fear, but I would try to put it in this way that precautions is always better than cure. So be cautious. That's the one thing I want to tell. The first tip would be that be cautious. Whatever you are, wherever you are, no matter day, night, evening, afternoon, be cautious. Know your surrounding, what you are, where you are, and if you're in a bus, know that who all are there in the bus. There are any other people, other ladies are there, or there is only men in the bus. So if there is only men, then don't use your phone. Just leave your phone and just observe your surrounding. Like everything is right, everything is going on fine, nothing is fishy, right? So that if anything is fishy, you can be alert and you can react back. If you are into your phone or listening to some music, then when the attack happens or something happens, you won't have time to react because you never anticipated that. So yeah, first thing, be cautious, be aware of your surroundings, and yeah. So the second thing is, don't use your phone. When you're alone and if you're walking on a street or etc., if you're listening to a music, if somebody attacks you, you won't know. If you're not listening to a music, if somebody is coming behind you, you would know about it, right? So don't use your phone when you're alone. When you're alone and you're walking or you're traveling or doing anything, when you're alone, don't use it. In a lonely place, obviously, not in a crowded place, but don't use your phone when you're out alone. And yeah, that would be my second tip. And the third tip would be for example, what I do is when I'm alone walking in a street, like going to my home from bus stop or from somewhere, I'm going to my home and I have to walk along the way. If that's the case, then what I do is I just see around, okay, who all are there around me. If it's a dark place and I'm alone walking, I just check if somebody is there around. If it's there, then if they attack, what will be my next step? How will I react to that? What can I do? I'll hold my pepper spray in my hand, or where it is where I can reach easily. Keep your pepper spray there, or any any objects that you have to defend yourself. Use anything. Pepper spray is the safest, so if possible, then everybody can afford it. I think it's only for some 250 or 300. You will get it in Amazon. So get a pepper spray and keep it with you. We spend for so many other things, and this one thing is really important. So get a pepper spray and keep it with you. No matter you use it, you don't use it, just in case if you need it any day. So what I do is I be cautious. I will okay, fine. If they attack, what will be my next step? What will I do? That and all will be in my head, and I would have prepared if anybody does. That's what nothing of that sort has ever happened to me. But though I'll be cautious, and also while walking on the street, if I'm holding my phone and going, I hold it so tight. If anybody attacks and wants to take away my phone, also they can't. I hold it so tight that they can't snatch it away from me. So yeah, all that, you know, uh, it's really sad that we have to think all this, but still it's okay. It's necessary that you take all these steps, and it's important for you. And yeah, that's how my mind works most of the time. So I keep myself prepared all the time. So be prepared. That's the third tip. Be prepared for the worst. It's not that you're wishing the worst to happen, it's that you're being prepared for the worst. If it happens, you be prepared. That's the only thing. So be prepared. Or even in the bus also, if you're standing or if you're sitting, whatever you're doing, be sure of your surroundings, what it is, how it is, who anybody's watching you, anybody's following you. Keep that off track, and etc. That is necessary. So these are my three tips actually. That's what I do. And also in the, if you're going in a cab or in an auto, if something of that person is, make sure that you're going in the right direction, because obviously everybody has smartphones. So you know, if you don't know the route also, make sure you on it in the Google, so you'll know that you're going in the right direction. Yeah. And also when if you don't know something, don't show other people that you don't know. For example, if you are in an auto, or you are in a cab, if your mom or your parents or someone calls, your friend calls you, where are you, don't tell it I don't know. Don't tell it ever, because you know that's a signal you're giving to the person that you don't know where you're going, and that person can do anything, like not in a worst way, that you know, make more rounds and charge you also, and other things also can happen. So never tell I don't know. Tell that yeah, I'm here, yeah, that place, something, make something and tell. But don't ever tell I don't know where I am. Don't tell that. That's not right. Yeah guys, these were my three tips. I hope this was helpful for all my girls, the ones who already knew it. Very nice, awesome, that's amazing actually. The ones who didn't know, and you know, they face problems, like, or they are about to, you know, travel alone, they are, or staying alone at some place away from home, these tips will come handy. And always keep in mind, and pepper sprays or any object to defend yourself is okay. And yeah guys, that's it about today's video. I hope you enjoyed and it was helpful to some extent. Actually, I'm not some professional, or I know about these things, or I have studied about, or anything of that sort. This is only my personal experience which I wanted to share with you guys. If anything was wrong, or any word offended somebody, I didn't intend to, and I'm sorry if you did. Yeah guys, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then go subscribe now, and also hit the bell button so that every time I upload video you get notified. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle anywhere on the screen, and also the link will be in the description box below. You can go check out now, and comment down if you find this video helpful, etc. And also share it with your other girl pals. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a great weekend, and be happy, be safe, love yourself more. Bye bye.